Hi guys, welcome back to the Addy Toys. Today we're going to be doing Mr. Potato Head.
Mr. Potato Head! There he is! So, how about we get in and open it up?
Okay.
Alright, that's the lid off. Just put that there to the side.
The hat. We got the feet.
Got
The
the feet.
hat.
Got a hat? Yeah.
The body.
You got a body.
And the nose.
And a nose.
A few eyes.
A few
arms. This is a nose.
Oh, yeah, we
This
got
is
that.
the teeth. There's a teeth and then there's part of it.
A set of teeth, I think, and lips. Or eyes. Oh,
There's
that's
a mustache.
Alright. Line it up.
Ears. Arm.
Love heart eyes.
Cross eyes. Whip. Just normal eyes.
Rolling eyes. Oh, yeah.
A
maybe.
turn.
And there's wobbly eyes. Look at those wobbly eyes.
Yeah.
Mm.
Easy, wait.
Okay,
You must
got all these
miss
pieces.
that. Oh, Easy, wait.
Oh yeah, you did miss something. What's that? Another mouth.
Mouth.
Alright, so how do we put it together?
So she's gonna do it first.
Okay, let's see. What are you gonna put on? Let's see what face you think is funny.
Not this way.
Not this one. Alright. That's a mouth. What about this one?
Let me see the else in these.
Goofy teeth.
Oh, this.
He's like Goofy. Alright, what's that? Okay, yeah.
See, do something.
Okay, put something on. You've done this his mouth with his tongue. Okay. What else you got?
Can you do the eyes?
Do the eyes.
Oh.
Okay, then it's her turn.
Your turn, you gonna do something? Yeah, let's get his feet and his hat on. He's gonna wear those
I'll do
anyway.
his feet.
That's it. Put that on there.
Looks like the cowboy.
He looks like a cowboy. Hey, he's got a baseball cap like mine.
Legs on.
And squash it in there. Yeah.
My
that's
turn
cool.
now.
Yeah.
That's all good, but you can't smell anything.
Maybe he needs a nose.
He needs a nose. Let's get that on
See,
there.
do that first.
Should I put on the mustache? Okay, I will. So you have to
Put the nose through the mustache.
that way.
Yeah. And you push it through. No, let's do it this way. Through like that.
And then use
Because-
the nose part, stick it on. And he looks really silly.
Now, next
He
thing.
looks super silly because he hasn't got any ears and he hasn't got any arms yet.
I'll do the
Hang on,
ears.
let's leave his. That's not an ear. You can't see out of his ear.
These are ears.
God, let's have a go at putting these ears on.
I'm so sorry.
Here's the ears.
I'm sorry.
Okay, let's put the ears on.
It looks like an ear mark.
An ear hole.
Ear mark.
Ear.
And I'm going to put the arms on because he hasn't got any yet. Ugh. Hard.
So, kind of hard, but it's pretty easy altogether, isn't it? Let's see. Is he all in there properly? Is that the proper arm?
No.
I think this is on the wrong side.
Okay, so Daddy's going to do that one.
Let's get that in there. Push it in. His hand is gonna grab his mustache, it looks like.
Yeah. And then I'm going to put the other one on.
That's it, he's waving over at you.
Okay.
Hey, Mr. Potato Head.
Hey
there, everyone. I'm Mr. Potato Head.
No, after that.
Oh, we forgot the time.
my ear fell off.
Look.
Oh, let me have a go. You do it. There we are.
And then I want to show you if they got. Open it. Can you open it?
That's it. Pop that out. There you go. Oh,
If
nearly.
you open the back,
Wait a bit.
There you go.
then the space
some
to
good
put
sharp
your
fingernails.
extra.
You can put those extra eyes, extra mouth, his tongue,
and
other
everything
pieces.
so you don't lose it.
So you keep it all together, another set of eyes.
And then it's inside him.
And then he can go off, he's ready packed to go on his holidays.
Yeah.
So
Just a minute. He's got these love heart eyes. What is it he's in love with?
He likes chocolate.
He likes chocolate. I think he loves potatoes.
Oh yeah.
Ketchup. You might love ketchup.
Oh yeah.
I see ketchup over there. What do you think about that? Alright, do we want to try another couple of sets of eyes or different...
Yeah.
Some
Okay.
different pieces?
Pizza.
Okay. Don't take everything out. Oh.
Not everything.
Let's just swap a few bits around.
Yes. Swap new eyes.
We've got to open the back so we've got eyes.
You're gonna keep this in here, the hot eyes, and the hat. I'm gonna put this on. Oh, okay. Let's keep the hat on.
Yeah.
And these are the extra things.
Is in there?
So we've still got the back open.
So first we're gonna do the.
Oops. There we are.
And on the hat it says P for potato
So hard.
P for potato.
head.
Now you do something to stop.
Now he looks a bit angry.
Hey, who stole my ketchup? I think one of you guys did it. Bring that back over here. I'm getting hungry. Ugh.
Come over here.
Oh, sorry about that.
Can you open the back?
Take some of that.
Let's take off his mustache. Let's
Yeah.
make him look a bit different.
Maybe look like he's cross and you got.
And he can put his tongue out. How about that?
Yeah, because he's not happy. Let's get
Where's
his
his tongue?
tongue. So take off that and his tongue. Oh, it's under everything. Oops.
What's that? Oh, it's okay.
It can go back on
That's
with
alright.
it.
Oh, I don't think his mustache is going to fit in.
It's like his back.
Daddy.
Hold on. Let's get this on here. There we are.
And then it can go back together, which is
Yeah.
Now,
here we
now
go.
he looks
So
kind of funny.
good.
He needs some tongue.
Yeah,
There we are.
because he's cross.
Let's take this out.
Okay, so he's cross right now.
The next eyes.
Hey, wait. You didn't show anyone what he looks like.
Ow.
Let's have a look.
Maybe he's gonna say something.
Hey, you over there.
What are y'all laughing at?
Yeah. Let's get a new set of eyes. Next time. These eyes.
Hello.
Hello. I'll put this down. There.
Let's change to a mouth.
Yeah, he looks kind of confused. His eyes are kind of, huh? Where'd you go?
Who stole my potato?
Who stole my ketchup?
Yeah.
What's he got now? Ah. Hey, wait a minute. I think we got something wrong here.
His mouth's upside down. and
Wait,
his teeth
wait,
are-
wait. That's what he looks like. He's like,
Huh? Oh man, look at my teeth. I'm gonna bite into my nose right here. Oh.
hang on a second. That's it.
Hi! Oh, I'm Mr. Potato Head, and I got myself some big teeth right here on the front of my face. I'm gonna bite you. Oh.
Not really.
Come here. Now the next.
Not really.
Let's choose the next eyes.
That's coming off, isn't it? Yeah, it's coming off.
Coming out again. So this is kind of loose.
Daddy is using. Not these eyes.
Yeah.
This eye.
Put this on.
Let's choose the mouth.
Okay. So let's put them all out.
These.
There we are.
Hello? I can't see anything. Where are you?
Right. What's that?
cat backwards. There we go.
Hey.
Hi.
So you can put this back in the back. So how you could open it?
Gotta have good, strong fingernails to open that up.
Then you have to do it at the very top.
Put your finger on the top
There's
and
the
pull it down.
lip we
That's
don't
it.
need.
We don't need those pieces. Hey, this isn't a game. There we go. Now what's it look like?
That's the hat.
Let's see. And his ears twisted.
Look at
Straighten
his
it up.
hat. He looks like a cool boy.
Hey, I'm Mr. Cool Potato. How you like that, huh? You think I... Oh, wait a minute. Not so cool. My mouth's all crooked. Hey. Hi, y'all. Oh, wait. Oh, get a bit close there. Hi. What's he doing? Yeah, this is cool. Hello. Hello there. Are y'all watching me? Alright. Okay. Yeah. Kind of cool. Alright, bye. Going backwards.
Okay. So that's Mr. Potato Head. What do we think of this?
Good.
Good?
Bye, guys.
Hey, wait! Does it get thumbs up or thumbs down? 3 thumbs up. Okay, guys, so that's gonna be the end of this one. Mr. Potato Head says goodbye. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to come back and watch some of our other videos. And what do we gotta do? Make sure everybody likes
and
and subscribes. And we'll see you all next time.
Bye.
Bye.